morning everyone. Today we are going to do the revision of fractions of exercise 7.3, 7.4 and 7.5. 7.3 exercise is about the lowest term in which we will learn what is HCF. Then 7.4 exercise is about the like and unlike fraction in which we will learn what is LCM. Then we will do the proper fraction for the exercise 7.5, then improper fraction and the mixed fractions. So first of all, let's see how will you find the HCF easily for any two given numbers. HCF means highest common factor. It means the highest number that can divide 121 and 77. The easiest method we are discussing today. I have already told some of the methods in the chapter factor to find the highest common factor. So here we have 121, the biggest number, the bigger number we will write inside and the smaller number we will write here for any two given numbers for which we have to find the HCF. Then it will, let's divide it, how many times it will go? It will go up to, how many times it will go? Yes, it will go only one time. So 0 में divide नहीं जाएगा, 2 में भी नहीं जाएगा, then 1, then it will be 77. And now we will divide it, subtract it. Now 11 minus 7 is 4 and 11 minus 7 is 4. Now again we have to divide. We will not ongoing like this. We will do that this 77 will come here for the division as a dividend. And now 44 is the not a remainder, it is a divisor. Till we will do this till when we get the remainder 0. So now we will start dividing 77 with the 44, then it will go only one time, then it will be 44 and the remainder will be 33. Now we will call this 44 here. Now we will call this 44 here because this is not remainder. Till remainder will be 0 in this method. Now 1 times, it will be 1 time 33 and this will be 11. Again we will call this 33 here. Now it will be 3 times 33 and 0 0. So remainder will be 0 and the last divisor is our HCF. And the last divisor is our HCF. So the HCF of 121 and 77 will be the 11. Let's see for this question also. We have here 150 and 45. What is the highest common factor here? You can see. Let's write the bigger number inside and the smaller number outside. Now start dividing. How many times it will go? It will go 3 times. So 0, 0, 3. Now we will divide 3 times and it will be, yes, very good, 135. So it will be 135. You can type in chat beta. So this is 135 and we will get the answer as a remainder here. After subtraction we will get 15. 5 is here and 1 is here. Now whom we will call? We will call 45 here because 15 will not be a remainder. Our remainder must be a 0. That's why we will call 45 here and again divide for 15 3s are 45. Now what is our HCF? HCF is our 15. 15 is our HCF. So how will we use this HCF? Let's see. How will we use this HCF to form the highest common factor? We will use to form the lowest term. Now we will discuss what is lowest form. Lowest form is the form of the fraction where HCF is 1 of the numerator and denominator. न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर का HCF अगर 1 आता है तो वो जो फ्रैक्शन का फॉर्म होगा हमारा वो लोएस्ट फॉर्म होगी. सो हियर वी हैव 15 upon 18. That is not in the lowest form because we know we can divide it with the number. So let's find the number which can divide 15 and 18. We will find the number again which is not 1. 1 can divide 15 and 18, that is okay. Other than 1, what is the number which can divide 15 and 18 by which we will divide it? So 15 ones are 15 and we will have 3 here, then 15 comes here, then 15 5s are 15, 15 3s are 15. So here we have HCF as our 3. So this is how we will divide the numerator and denominator with the 3. If we divide the numerator with the 3, then we also divide the denominator with the 3 and we will get our lowest form of this fraction. We have this question 15 upon 18 and we have to find the lowest form of this. Then 15 को 3 से divide करेंगे, then we will get 5 and here we will get 6. So 5 upon 6 and 15 upon 8 are equivalent fraction. And these equivalent fractions are formed by the division method. By multiplication, you already know how will we find. We will multiply by any number in the numerator and denominator and we get the equivalent fraction by the multiplication method. And this is how we will find the equivalent fraction with the division method. And this is 5 upon 6 is our lowest term. Now we will move for the LCM. So now we will see what is LCM. LCM is the lowest common multiple. We already learned LCM with the different of methods to find it in the chapter of factors. It is the lowest common multiple, which is the smallest number which can divide both the numbers. So here we will find one more method to find the LCM of 8 and 12. When we have two numbers to find the LCM, then we will write it like this, smaller number than the bigger number, and we will start dividing with the prime numbers. Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. We will start dividing with these numbers and we will find we'll use prime numbers to divide it for the LCM. You can also use the prime factorization method or prime factorization of 3 method. So here we'll start with 2. Can 2 divide both? Yes, can 2 will divide both. It will be 4. 2 4s are 8 and 2 6 are 12. Again, can we divide it by 2? Yes, we can divide it by 2 and this will be 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Again, can we divide it by 2? Yes, 2 1s are 2 and 3 को हम divide नहीं कर सकते हैं 2 से, then we will write 3 as it is. Listen very carefully, हम 2 को 3 को 2 से divide नहीं कर सकते हैं, इसलिए हमने 3 को as it is लिखा है. Now, अब 2 तो इन दोनों को divide कर नहीं सकता. Now we will move for the 3 and 3 can divide 1. No, then we will write the 1 as it is and 3 can divide the 3. Yes, and it will be 1. So जब तक हमारा आंसर 1 और 1 नहीं आ जाता है, we will do this LCM like this. So our LCM will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So it will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So it will be 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8 multiplied by 3 and that is 24. So this is the easiest method to find the LCM. Now if we have to find the LCM for 15 and 24, then we will make a column like this. We will make lines, horizontal and vertical lines like this. Then start dividing. Can we divide any number by 2? Yes, we can divide any of the number by 2. Then 15 can't be divided by 2, then we will write 15 as it is. 15 को 2 से divide नहीं कर सकते तो हम 15 को as it is same ही लिखेंगे. Then can we divide 24 by 2? Yes, 1 and 2 times. Then can we divide again by 2? Yes, 15 को हम 2 से divide नहीं कर सकते हैं. Then we can divide 12 by 2, then it will be 6. Can it be divided by 2 again? Yes, we can divide 6 by 2. We will write 15 as it is. And 6 can be divided 3 times. Then can be divided by 2 anymore. अब दोनों में से कोई भी नंबर को हम 2 से डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते हैं. Then we will move for the 3. 3 से हम किस नंबर को डिवाइड कर सकते हैं? दोनों ही नंबर को डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. It will be 5 and this will be 1. अब हमें 3 से भी डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते हैं. Now move for the 5. अब 5 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. Yes, we can divide it by 5. 5 1s are 5. Then can we divide by 1? No. Then we will write 1 as it is. 1 और 1 आ गए सभी के नीचे, तो अब हम और आगे इसको डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. 1 बार बार लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Now our LCM will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. We'll have 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Then we will have 3 and 5. Then we will have 3 and 5. अभी हमने इनका मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके देखा है, 24 आया था अभी वाले क्वेश्चन में, and then we will multiply by 5. So this will be our LCM, and this is how we are going to find the LCM. That will help us to find the LCM for the like and unlike fractions. So here we have like and unlike fraction. Like fractions are those fractions in which the denominators are same. Denominators same, then you will write it as a like, and denominators are not same, then it is unlike fraction. So here we have 9 and 12 as a denominator which are not same. That's why these two fractions are the unlike fractions. Let's see how will we make them into the like fractions. So first of all we have to find the LCM of denominators. We have to find the LCM of the denominators, and the denominators here we have 9 and 12. So denominators here we have 9 and 12. Let's do to find the LCM. So what is the smallest number we can have to divide a number? We can have 2. So 2 can't divide 9, we will write 9 as it is. Then 2 can divide 12, then it will be 6. Again we will use 2, because 9 can't be divided but 6 can be divided 3 times. Then we will have 3. 3 will divide 3 times, and here we will 1 times. So you can see that we use 3 to divide 9 as well as 3. But here we have 1. Now which number we are going to use? We will use 3, because 3 can divide 3. So here we will have 1, and 1 can't be divided by 3. That's why we will write the same number. So this is our LCM, LCM, and LCM will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. That will be 4 multiplied by 9, and 9 fours are 36. So our LCM is 36. Now we have to form these two unlike fractions to the like fractions, and we want the denominator same. So 7 upon 9. We are what is the denominator we want now? The denominator we want the 36. अब हमें denominator 36 चाहिए. 11 upon 12, इसका भी हमें denominator क्या चाहिए? 36 चाहिए. अगर denominator same हो जाए तो फिर तो बहुत इजी हो जाएगा कि ये तो लाइक फ्रैक्शन ही हो गए. ये दोनों अनलाइक हैं क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर अलग अलग है. ये दोनों लाइक हो जाएंगे क्योंकि इनके डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो जाएंगे. ओके, अभी देखते हैं किस चीज का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे 9 में, देन वी विल गेट द 36, और इधर 12 में किस चीज का मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कि 36 मिल जाए. 9 में हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 4 का, then we will get the 36. 9 4s are 36. अगर हमने डिनोमिनेटर में 4 का मल्टीप्लाई किया है तो न्यूमरेटर में भी हम 4 का मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, then we will get the 28. 4 7s are 28. So this is the equivalent fraction for the 9. 7 upon 9 is the equivalent to the 28 upon 36, which is the multiplication method to find the equivalent fraction. Here we have how much we have to multiply here. We will multiply by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 3, 12 3s are 36. Now if we multiply by 3 in the denominator, then we will multiply by 3 in the numerator also, then it will be 33. So 11 by 12 is equivalent to 33 by 36. So these are also the equivalent fractions. And here we have these are unlike fractions, and here they are like fractions because denominators are same. So this is your like and unlike fraction, and you have to understand, you have to find the LCM. Now we are moving to the proper, improper and mixed fraction. The proper fraction is when numerator is smaller than the denominator. Here denominator is bigger. Improper fraction is when numerator is greater than denominator. When numerator is greater than denominator. Mixed fraction is the fraction which is mixture of two things, that is a whole number and the proper fraction. So how can you understand with an example? Let's see. The example of proper fraction is 7 upon 9. This is the example for the proper fraction. Now it means you have taken, there are 9 parts, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 parts of the chocolate, and you have taken 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parts. In this example, 7 parts you have taken out of 9 parts in the chocolate. But here, इसका opposite कर देते हैं, that is numerator is greater, it means 9 upon 7. What it means? इसका मतलब है कि आपके पास कई सारी चॉकलेट्स थी जिसमें हमने कितने पार्ट्स ले लिए? 9 पार्ट्स ले लिए हैं. 1, 2 and 3, 9 parts, and then one more chocolate is there of 7 parts. चॉकलेट के कितने पार्ट्स हैं यहाँ पे? 7 parts है. 9 parts are not there. There are 7 parts in a chocolate. Let's say, how can I show the 7 parts in a bar? In a bar, I can show the 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 parts. And you have taken 9 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 parts. There is a chocolate which has 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have taken 9 parts from the chocolate which have 7 parts. It means one chocolate you have taken here and 2 parts here from the 7. Yes? And if you count with the 9 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total parts you have taken is 9, and the number of part of a chocolate are 7. This is the representation of 9 upon 7. There are 2 chocolates and you have taken 9 parts, in which one chocolate has only 7 parts. So how will you represent it? We will introduce you the mixed fraction with the same method. If you divide 9 by 7, then this will be 9 ones are 7 ones are 7, and 2 will be the remainder. This is quotient and this is our remainder. So you can have quotient equals to 1 and remainder equals to 2. Right? So what is the mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is in the form of Q R upon D. Here, this is the representation. You have taken one part of the chocolate full, then the 2 by 7. इस 7 पार्ट में से आपने 2 पार्ट्स ले लिए, तो हम इसको लिखेंगे 1 होल. एक चॉकलेट आपने कंप्लीट ले ली. Then you go for the second chocolate and you have take 2 parts out of 7. So one chocolate आपने कंप्लीट ले ली और दूसरी चॉकलेट में से आपने 2 पार्ट्स ले लिए जिसमें 7 पार्ट्स थे. So you will represent this as 9 upon 7 as 1 whole 2 by 7, because improper fraction can be represented as mixed fraction, and mixed fraction को हम convert कर सकते हैं improper fraction में. improper fraction को mix बनाने के लिए हमें divide करना होता है, तो हमारा numerator को हम denominator से divide कर देंगे यहाँ पर. Then 9 can be divided by 7, then the quotient will be 1 and remainder will be 2. So you can write it like this, because quotient will be written here and remainder will be on the top and denominator will be divisor will be on the down, or you can say denominator, because 7 is the denominator here, 7 is the denominator here, both are the same denominator. Now if we have to convert the mixed fraction to the improper fraction, then we will multiply 7 by 1 and we will get the answer. Then we will add with the 2. But the if you are going with the formula, then the question multiplied by divisor, then we will add remainder by the d. So this is also have the formula to move to convert the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. So quotient is 7 multiplied by 1 plus remainder is 2 and upon 7. This will be 9 upon 2, 9 upon 7. So this is how you are going to represent proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction, and this is how you will convert improper fraction to the mixed fraction and mixed fraction to the improper fraction. Thank you and have a nice day, beta.